Delhi is the capital city of India and is located in the northern part of the country, and known for its rich history, culture, and diversity. Delhi has been inhabited for thousands of years and has been the capital of various empires and kingdoms throughout its history. Today, it is a major political, commercial, and cultural center of India and is home to many important government buildings, monuments, and museums. Let's know some top attractions and best time to visit Delhi. So please watch this video till the end. India Gate is a war memorial located in New Delhi along the Rajpath. It is dedicated to the 82,000 soldiers, both Indian and British, who died during the First World War and the Third Anglo-Afghan War. India Gate looks stunning at night with the fountain displaying colorful lights. Qutub Minar is a historical tower located in Delhi, India. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is one of the most famous landmarks in Delhi. The tower is named after the first ruler of Delhi, Qutb-ud-din Aibak, who began its construction in 1192. The tower is made of red sandstone and marble and is 73,240 feet tall, making it the tallest brick minar in the world. Akshardham Temple is a famous Hindu temple and a spiritual cultural complex, also known as Swamini Narayan Akshardham. It is dedicated to Lord Swamini Narayan. Akshardham has made its way to Guinness Book of World Records as the world's largest comprehensive Hindu temple. The Akshardham Temple is known for its stunning architecture. Humayun's tomb is the final resting place of Mughal Emperor Humayun, located in the Nizamuddin East area of Delhi. It is the first garden tomb in India. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is known for the stunning typical Mughal architecture with Persian influences. Lotus Temple, officially known as the Baha'i House of Worship, is a prominent architectural landmark located in New Delhi. It is a temple that belongs to the Baha'i faith, which is a monotheistic religion that originated in the mid-19th century in Iran. The Lotus Temple is famous for its distinctive architecture, which resembles a lotus flower. The Red Fort is a historic fort located in the city of Delhi, India. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the mid-17th century and served as the residence of the Mughal emperors of nearly 200 years. The fort is made of red sandstone and is an excellent example of Mughal architecture. The Red Fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Delhi. Lodi Gardens is a popular public park located in the heart of New Delhi, India. The park is spread over an area of 90 acres and is known for its beautiful landscape, historical monuments, and wide variety of trees and plants. The park is named after the Lodi dynasty and ruled over Delhi during the 15th century. The Nizamuddin Dargah is a Sufi shrine located in the Nizamuddin West area of Delhi, India. It is the tomb of the famous Sufi Saint Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia, who was a disciple of famous Sufi Saint Hazrat Khaja Muhyiddin Chishti of Ajmer. The Nizamuddin Dargah is considered to be one of the most important Sufi shrines in India and attracts the thousands of devotees from all over the world. Delhi Jami Masjid, also known as the Masjid-e-Jahan Numa, is one of the largest mosques in India. It is located in the Old Delhi area near the iconic Red Fort. The mosque was commissioned by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan and was completed in 1656 AD. The mosque has several important relics, including a copy of Quran written on the deer skin and the footprint of the Prophet Muhammad embedded in a marble slab. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India, located in New Delhi. The building was designed by British architect Edwin Lutyens and was completed in 1929. It covers an area of 320 acres and has 4 floors with 340 rooms, including the President's official residence, guest rooms, offices, and halls. The best time to visit Delhi is from October to March, when the weather is at its best. During this period, flowers are at their blooming best, the weather is pleasant and enjoyable to experience incredible Delhi. Please leave a comment about Delhi and subscribe the channel to stay with us.